Hi, Clover and Lolly. Welcome to Julia's channel. The nature bound. I think the nature bound microphone. Here we go. Ooh, what does this do? Let me do it. Wow, it's the magnifying glass. The one I bought at Bubbu School. The one for boys and girls. Look, there's a hole here. Look. This is called the Magnifier set by Nature Bound. This is the grasshopper one, the butterfly one, and the ladybug one. Open it. I think it's Barbie. Bye-bye. This is the net for Bubbu Shops. Say bye-bye. Okay, now it's time. It's time for Clover and Lolly to say bye-bye. Wee wee, wee wee.